Did you know you can completely remove ICSee ads in less than a minute? One of the most frustrating things about security camera apps is being forced to watch ads just to access your own cameras. You buy the device, set everything up, and then suddenly, every time you try to view live footage or replay an event, a full-screen ad blocks your access. But here's the good news. Inside the ICSee app, there's actually a way to disable these ads. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open the ICSee app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Now look for the option called Tools and tap on it. Inside Tools, you'll find an option labeled Ads. Open it. If the toggle is turned on, simply tap it to disable ads. At this point, in many cases, the ads will already stop appearing. But if they don't disappear immediately, there's one more quick step. Go to your phone's settings. Then open the App Manager or Apps section. Search for ICSee if you don't see it right away. Tap on it. And then tap on Force Stop. Now, when you open the ICSee app again, the ads should be completely gone. And that's it. A simple fix that makes a huge difference in your daily experience. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more security tips and hidden settings like this. God bless you.